If you want to completely deactivate the Gemini or Google Assistant on Realme GT 8 Pro, first we're gonna go to Settings. Over here in Settings, we're gonna scroll all the way down and then go to Google. In Google Services, switch to All Services in here, and then we're gonna scroll down in order to find Search Assistant and Voice. Now in here, you want to go to Google Assistant even if you use Gemini. And if you actually use Gemini instead of Google Assistant, then you want to find Digital Assistants from Google, and you want to switch from Gemini to Google Assistant. This is necessary. If you already have Google Assistant in use instead of Gemini, then of course you can skip this step. And after that, we're gonna go to General, and we have Google Assistant option, and we can deactivate it over here. Besides that, we're gonna also go to Accessibility and Convenience in Settings, and then we're gonna scroll down in order to find the power button. And in here we have the press and hold power button, which by default is used to activate Gemini or Google Assistant, so we can switch it to the power menu instead. And another thing that we can do in Settings is to go to System and Update. Then we're gonna choose System Navigation. And then here we have Digital Assistant from Google. This is like a swipe gesture where we can swipe from bottom left and bottom right corner towards the center of the phone. And this also activates Gemini or Google Assistant. So we can turn it off in here. And that is pretty much it. This is how we can completely disable Gemini and Google Assistant. On the other hand, if you want to enable it back again, then of course you can turn on this gesture if you want to use it. You can go back to Accessibility and Convenience to turn on the power button shortcut. But the most important part is to simply go to Gemini app. So if you tap on the Gemini app, if it is completely deactivated, then you will find this turn on button. So you can tap over here in order to turn it back on, and then you can choose Use Gemini. So now you are back again using Gemini on Realme GT 8 Pro. And if you want to use Google Assistant instead, then you can just simply tap on your profile in the upper right corner, and then we have switched to Google Assistant. Subscribe to my channel.